Good morning and welcome back to Hot Springs, Arkansas. So yesterday we took you to Hot Springs National Park. We started the day off at Bathhouse Row and then we took you on the North Mountain Scenic Drive. We ended up going up the mountain tower and we ended the day at the West Mountain Scenic Drive. We were going to do a hike, but the girls just weren't having it. So today we're going to take you right back to Bathhouse Row and go hiking on the Grand Promenade. Is it hot?
It's actually warm, yeah.
Ashlyn, you see that waterfall? Where's it at? Right there? Want to go look at it?
But it's a hot waterfall. We've never seen one of those.
It's really hot.
It is steamy. I feel like I'm in a shower.
So that last sign over there said that the Grand Promenade was built because that's where they go walking and relaxing after their baths.
Really?
I don't know about you, but after I take a bath, I'm not coming outside. I don't sweat again.
True.
It is nice, but it's really, really hot here in Arkansas.
How's it feel? Is it cold or warm?
Warm.
Warm. Healing water on you. Woo.
Y'all healed up now? See this box right here?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
No.
It's a spring. So you got this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and 3 or 4 over there. There's 56 of those here in this town.
Whoa.
And they're all springs.
Really?
But back in the day, they decided to collect the water instead of let it just roll on the ground.
Yeah.
So it'd feed the bathhouses in the whole town.
Oh, so this is where they stored it.
No, this is where they collect it. So instead of it flowing out of the ground here, they decided to make it pipes so it could be underground.
Oh, okay.
But there's 56 of them
Wow.
in this area. I think we should play a game called Go Find All 56.
Have fun.
They should make that a Junior Ranger thing.
Yeah, I see 3 right there.
Well, 53 more to go. So, do you know why this is even a national park to begin with?
Why?
Because in the late 1800s, they convinced people that soaking in these hot springs would heal you.
Yeah?
And then these bathhouses popped up and they started doing massage and exercise and everyone came here. They got some rest and relaxation. They worked out a little bit and they left feeling better.
Awesome.
Isn't that funny? You just take a break and work out and you start feeling better?
Yeah, I could go for some of that.
It still works today. So guess where we're going to next?
Where?
The Gangster Museum.
Uh-oh.
We get to go see how bad they were back in the day around here.
Let's go check it out.
Hey Ashlyn,
Daddy.
guess where we're going next?
Yeah.
We're going to the Gangster Museum.
Yeah, it's not that far.
I know it's not. You want to go see some bad guys?
Do you know what the Gangster Museum is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It looks like bad guys.
Bad guys. stopped at Bottomed Girls. I read that they were on Cupcake Wars, Food Network. So we have 6 delicious treats to try out.
I didn't realize there were so many ways to make a cupcake. They've got like 40 different kind in there.
I think we could try every one and be perfectly happy. Goodness. Oh man. Which one to try first? Maybe all of them.
Kayla's still so mad about these cupcakes. All right, so what are we gonna do?
Okay, so we've been seeing everybody come up to these thermal water stations that are all throughout the city. They fill up their water jugs with them. Supposedly the water's really good because it comes from the springs here. So we have the girls' cups, we're gonna fill them up, but it does come out hot, so we're not gonna drink it yet. We're gonna take it back to the RV and cool it down. We'll let you know how it is.
How hot is it?
I don't know, did you read that?
It's 140 degrees.
Let's see. It's gonna be hot in these cups. Oh yeah, it's hot. Feel.
Man, that's hot.
Woo. Let's do one more. There we go. Hopefully it's good.
Hot Springs, Arkansas has quite the history. It started off being known as the spa town, where people came from miles around to soak in the healing waters of the springs here. And then the bathhouses started being erected, and it became the spa city. Well then, baseball teams started showing up to get their baseball players in shape before the season, thus the invention of spring training. And then somewhere in the mid-20s, a mayor took over and he legalized gambling. Well, that was pretty cool until the criminals started showing up. While no criminal activity took place here, they had safe haven while they were here in Hot Springs. So all the who's of all the gangsters from the 30s and the 40s were here in Hot Springs hiding out from the law. They actually joked that there was not very many banks robbed in the 30s and 40s because they were all on vacation in Hot Springs, Arkansas. And all that came to an end somewhere in the mid-60s. So there's no more gangsters, there's no more spring training here, there's no more bathhouses, and there still is no more gambling. But if you want to know more, go see the Gangster Museum here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Good morning and welcome back. Today, we're gonna take you right down the road to Lake Catherine State Park. So let's go check it out.
What you doing?
So Arkansas,
Obey traffic laws, be alert,
let's let her
and
finish
use
talking.
voice commands while driving.
So anyway, Arkansas is the most confusing place I've ever driven in my life. So we've given up on trying to look at our phone and we just enter the address because it's crazy. These roads up here don't make sense.
Thank you, navigation. So we're going hiking today and we don't even have 10 miles to get there. Look what's already happened. It's gonna be an awesome hike. I think Kayla might even be asleep. She's not moving. You ready for all this attitude?
Well, we're gonna walk it out of them.
Did you get us lined out?
Okay, so the visitor center is just a place to check in for your cabins if you're camping here.
Oh, okay.
But I got a map, so now I know where to go to find the trails. And now we know where the trails are.
Awesome.
But we're really far away still.
Okay.
So let's go drive around. So today, we're gonna put our phones in our pockets because last time when we carried in the backpack, we only got credit for 300 steps and we walked almost 6 miles.
Yep, we're getting our credit today.
Because unless the phone counts it, you didn't step it.
So which way are we going? You know I don't know directions.
We're right here.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna walk down here and we're gonna follow all 3 of them
Along the lake.
until about right there. And we'll see how the girls are.
Awesome.
So Arkansas is a little better than Oklahoma because I can actually tell what trail I'm on right now.
There's not a little bitty arrow we have to try to find?
That points off in some random location.
Oh my gosh, that's fun.
I got it,
Is that cool or what? We gotta go. Kayla wants to chase it. Wrong way, Kayla. Where's Ghosty and Unicorn?
in the backpack.
No way. Let me see. Oh, they're hitching a ride with Dada. Hey, Ghosty. Hey, Unicorn. What are we going to see?
We're going to see the waterfall and the bridge.
The waterfall and the bridge? Oh, I can't wait. Let's keep going.
Look what I found. Look at that bridge up there.
Ooh, our first bridge.
We'll find it on the bridge too.
Kayla's excited. Show me the way, Kayla. Wanna go catch up? Where's Dada? There he is. We made it.
It's starting to get cool. There's mountains now.
I like the shade.
What'd you say?
We said we found it on the bridge.
Who found it?
I found it. This one is my best one.
That's the best one?
Yeah, this one is my best one.
So how do you feel about the fact?
Don't say it. They'll turn the video off. Don't say it. We'll show them when we get there. There's a big surprise coming up about this waterfall.
Huge waterfall.
So we just hiked Falls Trails. You want the positives? Ashlyn did excellent on this hike. The negatives, the waterfall is a trickle. There's not much there. But we made it, so we did good.
I'm really barely the
Look at that waterfall.
Whoa.
Hey, guess what?
So we were wrong. This is where the waterfall is.
It's still a trickle,
It is still a trickle,
but it's way cooler.
oh my goodness. Ashlyn, we should have brought you extra clothes. So that waterfall makes me think maybe we shouldn't have went to Glacier first before we came here.
No, Glacier has waterfalls better than
Hey,
that
but-
in the parking lot.
But someone on the trail said that whenever they get good rain or during the spring, it really does flow pretty good. Like, I think we're gonna be more impressed by the lake up here. I can't wait to see it.
Was the hike worth the reward?
The hike was good actually because Ashlyn did so good on it. And it's still doing so good. And it's what, 2.5 miles?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah.
Not only do they have grass in this lake,
Uh-huh.
that's a power plant.
Oh.
Which means these fish be easy to catch.
So touch the water. Is it warm?
It might be. What kind of bridge is this?
It looks like a wobbly bridge.
A wobbly bridge? Let's go cross it. Ashlyn, go jump on the wobbly bridge. All right, let's go.
Come on.
Maybe I made it wobble too much.
You kind of did.
Hey, so if we come the right way, there's a sign clear right here that says waterfall. So instead of doing the shortcut, we actually did the whole trail. The run keeper actually could have told us we were going the wrong direction.
Uh-oh.
But it was 1.81 miles.
We did good.
And it has a pretty good map of all the trails on the running app.
Maybe we should check that out next time we go hiking.
Yeah, probably. Hope y'all enjoyed this video of all the fun things you can do here in Hot Springs, Arkansas.